You have been conditioned to crucify. You want inspiration, motivation, but as soon as someone speaks truth, you label them. As soon as someone reminds you of a version of yourself that used to question everything, you label them. As soon as someone exposes conditioning, you label them. As soon as someone tries to help you unplug from this program we've lived in or live in and remind you you are a creator of your own reality, you label them. As soon as someone enlightens you to the fact that we are living in a created reality for you by someone else, you defend it and you label the liberator the truth speaker. Don't you see that you have been programmed to think that truth is wrong and to label it as crazy? The truth is that you have been taught, conditioned to label, to crucify. And if your Jesus had to come back today, you will probably crucify him again. What happened to your critical thinking skills? Take your power back. And it starts with taking your mind back. Think for yourself. Influence runs deep.